everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I just wanted to come to you with this easy, quick, effortless, practically messy bun tutorial. Well, it's not really it's like messy in a neat way. I didn't want it to be too messy because my look was looking big, so I didn't want to ruin it. Miss Yolanda McLeod asked for a tutorial on this because I did it on my previous tutorial because I recorded it before, but then I didn't like it, so I redid it today. Well, I hope that you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching. Sweet Jesus, why did I not comb this before? So I'm gonna start you off with the back of my head because that's where all my good hair is at. I won't even disgrace myself and show you the front of my head properly. It's like Johnny Bravo's hair, but backwards. Anyway, I'm using Gorilla Snot hair gel, and this is one that's supposed to leave your hair with an extra shiny appearance when you use it. But it honestly feels like really disgusting. Like my face looks like that every time that I use it. It's so nasty. But I like the way it leaves my hair when I use it. So yeah, I think it's a good hair gel. And then I'm now using a soft bristle brush to just make sure all my hair is like in place and it's smooth and it flows. And I tied that right at the top of my head, making sure that it's nice and tight. And then for my baby hairs, yes, they're scarce. Leave them alone, guys. I use Got To Be hair gel because I feel like it just lasts a bit longer. It's stronger, so obviously like when you put makeup on and all that kind of stuff, it finishes better. And then I'm using a spoolie as well to lay them down because obviously it's smaller. I like it better than a toothbrush now, so that's what I'm using. Just feel like you can do more intricate work with a spoolie than you can with a toothbrush. So when I was done with that, I just wrapped it up in my bandana or headband or whatever this is, and I let it dry in place. And after doing my makeup, I took that off, and obviously as you can see, it's dried like really nice, like good nice. And now moving on to the hair. This hair is literally a small section that I hadn't used from an old bundle. The hair type is Malaysian deep wave. And I wish I had hair that actually matches my hair type, but this does the job. To place it on, I just used a hair bubble and some hair grips. Then I placed the weft of the hair to the back of the bun and tied around it with my hair bubble. And flipped the hair to the front of my head to cover the bun, and then I spun it around in any direction that I saw. I went round first, and then I saw that that wasn't for me. I wanted it a bit more messy, so I just put the hair, I disorganized the hair basically so that it's not so perfect. Then I went ahead and secured it in place with my hair grips. Then I went in again and just kind of pulled bits of it here and there so that it's not so neat and so in place. And lastly, the finishing touch was just to put some sheen spray in there, make sure it's nice and shiny, and that was it. So thank you so much for watching, my loves, and I'll see you next time.